I want to emphasize that any competent and intelligent app company today will have a feedback feature that allows you to screenshot the problem and submit the feedback directly to the technical team. The fact that Audible doesn't have that and Amazon does not have that is incredible in today's world. However, the fact that the support team cannot open YouTube videos, which is an incredibly cumbersome workaround for that deficiency, is just absurd. Any company that wants to be competent in the technical space will have screenshot directly to the technical department to discover and respond to the most irritating faults, which will always be there. And so here we have another issue with, you know, Miguel or the Audible team is perhaps one of the few people in the world that cannot open a video link. You can, I can, everyone can, except the people who need it the most. This is how companies handicap themselves and their employees.